for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you for watching. I hope you're excited for today's video because I know I am. So today we're gonna be organizing my kitchen. I got a lot of stuff to organize my kitchen with. It's been a long time coming. I haven't really organized it since we moved in. It's just kind of been like thrown everywhere and like unpacked, you know? So we're gonna get to the nitty gritty. We're gonna organize it. I'm gonna be showing some tips for you for smaller kitchens. My kitchen is not that big. Actually, it's not big at all. So we're gonna be seeing how we can organize it, and hopefully we can put it together a little bit more than it already is. Anyways, let's do this. Okay, let me just give you a rundown of what we're working with today. It's a tragic mess, but we're gonna fix it. So this, holy balls, I did not realize that it was this bad. Okay, so this is what we're working with under here. Things are just thrown in here, so we're just gonna try to organize it just a little bit better. I already have this like pot holder thing, which I highly recommend getting. And yeah, let's do this.
From my window.
Okay, so first things first is to do what we always do and just take everything out so we can see what we have, what needs to go in there and what doesn't. And yeah, I highly suggest doing this just because you realize that you have way more space when you take everything out. And then you can also clean it out like I'm doing. And yeah, there's a lot of crusties in here. Because we have our toaster in here, and so I tried to put it in a bin, but I could not find one big enough to fit it, and so I just cleaned it out and called it good.
We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. Spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin.
Okay, so these things are really cool. I found them on Amazon, and they just stick on to the back of your cabinet door, and they hold your tops. What are they called? The tops to your pots. I don't even know. Top pots. Anyway, yeah, I really like them. They saved so much space, and they are so convenient, and they actually did not fall off at all. The thing is so sticky. So yeah, highly recommend this. I'll link it down below if you are interested.
We can spend all day in bed.
Okay, next I think I'm gonna do under this sink. Let's see what we're working with. Okay. So I've attempted to organize this before. It's just not really working out. Like, I have all of the stuff that I normally use every day right here, and I just tend to dig through everything. So I just want a better solution for that. And then let's just, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good. So let's fix it.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know about to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away.
So I love using clear acrylic bins so you can see everything. I've said that before, but I will say it again 1,000 times just because it is so convenient. And so everything that I use every day and that I need easy access to, I just put in a clear bin, and then everything else I just put in that like white bin and stuck it behind there because I don't really use those very often. But another thing that I got from Amazon is this paper towel holder. So our paper towels, it's either an eyesore on the counter or it's like way up high in the pantry, and it's just not very functional. So I am putting this on the back of the door, so right after you're done washing your hands, you can just open up the door and see the paper towels, and I love this so far. I've only had it up for like maybe 15 hours, but wow, I am loving it. Okay, this looks so much better. It's so much more functional. So this is like a Lazy Susan like turntable kind of thing, so I can easily grab whatever I need from there. And then behind it is just the back stock of items like I really don't use much at all, but I still need them, like it's like dish soap and stuff, so like eventually I'll need them, so that's just in the back. And we have the brushes, and then dishwashing gloves, and a sponge, and then under here is the dishwasher pods, and then this will be hand towels and just like miscellaneous towels. Oh, actually, I should fill that up. Okay, I have a clean laundry upstairs, so let me go get that. Okay, now we're done. So everything is super easily accessible. It looks good, way more functional. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so we're gonna work on this like coffee station area. This is where we're keeping our coffee right now. Yeah, it's just, it's a hot mess in here. So I got this thing to put all the coffee pods in. You're supposed to like hang it somewhere. So I think I might try to hang that under the cabinet, like where the coffee pot is. Yeah, we're gonna try that and then just organize this hot mess of a drawer in here. Okay, so it doesn't fit. Should I cut it? I'm gonna cut it.
Over your head. Now I'm done talking. This time I might go out with my friends. And I don't want your sad blue eyes. You know everything about me. Like I need my territory. So why are you still so needy? You're in over your head. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name. Always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight.
Okay, I love that. I love the way it looks. You can barely see it, like you really can't see it, so that was the goal. But then like you can also kind of see it, so when someone's like, where's the coffee, I can just be like, oh, it's above the coffee maker, and they're like, oh yeah, here it is. I'm loving the way it looks. I think it's super convenient and out of the way. I still have these left. These didn't fit, so I'm gonna put these in here because I don't know what else to do with them. Perfect. That's fine. Yay.
Through to your mind, 'cause you don't wanna listen. I know everything about you. Like it's hard for you to be true. Oh, funny how it changed in a matter of time. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name. Always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you.
And then, holy hot mess. Okay, wow. This is our junk drawer, so we just need to go through everything and organize it in some sort of way. Let's do it.
Oh, I don't wanna fight you.
silence you describe. Don't be ashamed. We can't always leave this place.
So for this, I decided to rearrange all of these containers empty so I can kind of get a layout that I wanted. And then I started putting stuff in. And so basically whatever didn't fit in these containers, I was like, okay, it's not gonna fit. We're gonna have to find another spot for it. It does not belong in this drawer. So that's exactly what I did, and I love how it turned out. Everything has its place, and I basically just kept in all of the essentials that we'll need. So we use the tape measure a lot, so I kept that in there. And then of course the lint rollers, and then tape, and just random miscellaneous things like keys, phone chargers, batteries, stuff like that. And yeah, it's super functional, and you can actually see where everything is instead of digging through the whole junk drawer.
About the others, let's escape the silence together. Just say the word. I don't know when we'll get there, but we're still young. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our.
I'm just doing a quick cleanup right now of all the extra stuff that just needed to go, and I'm making sure the counter is all cleared off because the next project I am so excited for. So we're going to be organizing the spice drawer, and oh my gosh, look at it. I know you only saw it for a few seconds, but rewind if you need to. It was a hot mess. So I'm taking everything out, vacuuming it out like we did for everything else, and then I got these cool containers from Amazon that you're about to see. I will talk about those in just a minute.
We're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
So this set from Amazon came with like 25 clear glass spice jars, and it also came with a whole bunch of pre-made labels, and they basically had every spice on there that I had no idea of half the spices even existed. They had so many spices that came on the labels, so that was really nice. I'm pretty sure I got it on sale. Hopefully it still is on sale, so you guys can check it out. It was like half off, so it was a super good deal. And yeah, I love the way that this turned out. I love the way that everything turned out because I just love organizing. Keep my little helper helping me out. He decided that he wanted to see what I was doing, so there's packs for ya. So I'm just gonna finish this up real quick. Oh, and then it also came with these risers so you can organize them in your drawers super easily, and that was so nice. So this whole kit was like $25, so what a steal.
Start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, so this is the next project we're gonna do. This is the baby cabinet / random stuff cabinet. So we're gonna organize this so we can easily access all of their bottles and stuff, because their bottles aren't even in here right now. They're in the cup cabinet over there. So we gotta fix this, because this is not what the baby cabinet should look like.
Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I was stuck on you. All of the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind.
I got this bottle organizer. I think it's for water bottles, but I thought it would perfect to use for baby bottles, and it is. So you can actually see all the bottles, the size that you need, and it's just really organized, and I'm hoping it stays this way because this cabinet tends to get so messy. So I'm just finishing up this baby cabinet, and then that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have made it this far, I appreciate you so much. Please sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and got some ideas for your home, for organization. Subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.